Every account you create, every order you place, every message you send, it all has to live somewhere. That somewhere is a database. But not all databases organize information the same way. Broadly speaking, databases fall into two camps: relational databases, which organize data into tables, and non-relational databases, which organize data into flexible documents. Let's look at each. Relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL organize data into rows and columns, very similar to a well-structured spreadsheet. Every entry fits neatly into a predefined table, which makes relationships between data easy to enforce and query. Non-relational databases like MongoDB take a different approach, organizing data into flexible documents, a bit like a labeled folder rather than a fixed grid. Each document can hold slightly different information without breaking the structure. Here they are side by side. The exact same customer information shown two different ways. One fits neatly into rows and columns. The other flexes to fit whatever shape the data naturally takes. So which is better? It depends. Relational databases shine with structure, consistent data. Think finance or inventory. Non-relational databases shine with fast-changing, varied data. Think content feeds or user activity. Many modern apps actually use both. Whether it's tables or documents, this is where your app's information truly lives. Now that you've seen the full technology stack, let's look at the tools developers use every day to actually build with it.